Morning guys. Unbelievable morning out here. We're so lucky. Gotta watch those craypots out there. Look at that moon. Time to get some baits out. Alrighty. We get a chunk out. And then I reckon I can fill the rest of that. Turn it into big fat muley bait. Hope everyone's had a good week. Feels like the wind is going to change on us here. No doubt there's a fair bit of seaweed, but the swells are low. I've had some cracker fun here before. Oi! Woo! This time, hopefully, we won't get boated. Could you get a better backdrop at the moment? The sun's coming up. The moon looks incredible. We're about to send it, send it, send it. All right, so I've got a big gang on here. Probably slightly too big. But who knows what could happen there. Beautiful cut bait. Give it a little wrap for luck. Some big waves going on down there. So I should probably get a little bit of chum out or something. Did I bring it? Maybe not. No, didn't. Oh well, it's a bit of bad luck. Something of a hit on this one. Chasing some mulloway today. Oh, some big hits there. That's a good sign. Alright, we've got to get this bait out, so let's get that going. Should we go off or on? No, we'll go on to start with. Calibration, and we're on. Okay, so we should have a predefined position. Let's go. Got one, baby. Okay, so far so good. It's the douche. Alright, let's change the sinker on this one so we can grab a bit better ground. I reckon that bait's gone anyway. Yeah, it has. Got smashed. Alright, let's get another one. We are cranking. Thanks for tuning in. Just look at that sky. We just got a massive nib. Oh, unlucky. That was a good strike. Oh, we're gonna have to go back out there. It's probably already swiped me. That was a great bite again. Oh, and are we on? No. Is there any tailor or mulloway out as well? We would love something big on the cast. We'll get this one in nice and quick and go again, because that looked promising. There's a little bit of seaweed out there as well. But they got swiped, all right. This will be the one. We're already up to drop 3. Absolutely slapped. They love a big chunk. Doesn't look like much is going to happen this morning. We might get lucky late. Had some top bites. They didn't hook up. That's how it goes. You get some good luck sometimes and some bad luck others. We'll be back though. We definitely had a chance earlier on. Better plan for tomorrow. Righto. Crazy hazy morning. We're getting out our first bait. Let's go. We're on. Woohoo! Oh, feels good. Yes. Come on. Let's get him in. Oh! Woo! Oh, it's a decent size. This is decent. We have to tighten the line on this one. Let's go. Woo! Come on, baby. It is awesome out here. That feels good. Slight tighten of the drag. Still keep the drag loose so this guy can go if he needs to. Oh, head shakes. Look at this sky, mate. This is just the setting. Oh. Oh. It's going to be our last day to try and get one. Lack of sleep and everything and all the work put in. Oh. Still can't see what we've got. Looks like a pinkos to me. He's not a monster. But his size. Ew! What a beauty. The spot that keeps giving. Oh yeah, he's well and truly over. Looking at a 56 there. Beautiful panty. Gotta be happy with that. And he's only just hooked in, weren't you, buddy? Beautiful pan-sized snapper. Yeah, happy with that first drop. A lot of seaweed out there. A lot of seaweed out there. Alright, it's a very, very hazy morning. There's even dew on the drone. Oh, another big bite. Did that take the bait? No, there's still something there. Come on, baby. Are we going to double up? Oh, visibility out there is so poor now. It's worse than it was earlier. Huh. Hope that holds us in good stead for a nice mulloway. Because we're still chasing one. It just looks surreal out there. Can we get a last minute zing? We're in the zone. Can we do it? A light one. Come on. Oh. Oh. Are we on? Oh. Wow. That was a decent bite then. Oh. I don't know if we were onto a small one then. Oh. Yeah, we're on now. Oh, we're going to double up. This be another nice panty. Right at the end. Oh, it would be an absolute miracle. It would be so awesome. Can we get this guy in? Oh, he's going strong. might be around the same size as the other one, could be slightly smaller. But they have varying degrees of strength and aggressiveness as well. Some are really docile, can be bigger. Some are super aggressive and can be smaller, so you just don't know. This is our last drop. First drop we got one. Can we land another beauty on our last? Another epic weekend. There he is. Another nice panty maybe. It looks that way. Woohoo! The second gorgeous panty. Ah, stoked. Yeah. And that is a great morning. Woo! Absolutely stoked. Gotta be happy with that. 2 pan dogs. Woo! Thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate it. See you next time, Tight Lines.